Hi there, welcome to WeStrive. Let's show you how the app works. Your homepage is broken into 3 sections: My Program, My To-Do List, and My Stats. Your stats will always be on the page, and you might not see the program or to-do list depending on if your coach has assigned them or not. The program is just a direct link to follow today's workout plan. The to-do list is an overview of today's tasks. Your coach can ask you to follow a habit like go on a walk, add progress photos, weigh yourself, and more. At the bottom, we have My Stats. We'll give you the option to track your steps, calories burned, water intake, cardio, and so much more. All you need to do is just give permission to Apple Health for iPhone and Google Fit for Android. What's great about these stats is that you can reorganize them based on what you care about, and you can click into any of them and see an entire history of this health data. Finally, you can push this plus button in the bottom right to add a progress photo, track body weight, or add cardio routines. In order to message your coach, just head to the top right of your homepage. From here, you can send GIFs, talk in group messages, send voice messages, and more. The calendar tab will act as your daily to-do list. Your coach can assign everything from progress photo requests to weekly surveys for you to complete, and of course, you can access your day's workout from here as well. In the Train tab, you can instantly see the program you've been assigned, and if your coach has added them, access any resources or exercise that they've created. Just click the fitness program in order to see a full breakdown of that specific week. From there, you can click on Show Exercises to see a breakdown of the workout, circuits, and more that you're scheduled to complete for that given day. After starting your day, the program will be broken down into individual exercises and circuits. Down below, you can record your workout results so trainers can track your progress. Your coach can leave comments for the whole circuit or leave individual comments for each exercise. You can pull up your recent records for each exercise at any moment by clicking on the Records button. The coach will have assigned you any combination of weight, reps, time, etc. So all you have to do is just push the check mark if you've completed the exercise, or you can click on the box and start entering in your actual results if they differ from what's listed. You can also leave a note for you and your coach by clicking right here. Simply swipe to the left to get to the next exercise. Each photo comes complete with a matching video so you can see the perfect form for each workout. We've also added an amazing timer, stopwatch, and Tabata timer. For the Tabata, you can adjust the round times, number of rounds, and much more in the settings for your convenience. Keep in mind that sometimes you won't see these typical entry boxes for the day. You might see a field just to add your time or just a notes box. It all depends on how your coach has set up your program. Now, when you do your last exercise of the day, you'll see a post-workout feedback pop up. Simply just add an emoji based on how the workout went. From here, we'll also have a quick summary of all the new personal records you broke for that day, and then a full breakdown of all the exercises you completed. The last page is just the profile page. From here, you can see what documents your coach has assigned you. You can also add progress photos, and keep in mind they are private to just you and your coach. In the settings, you can change things like your name, unit system, language, and so much more. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.